Okay. So I'm recording this session on daily basis. Every day I'll record sessions, and I'm going to provide all the recorded sessions and materials to you. Okay. For today, I'm gonna skip this slide. Okay. So I will come to know, guys, like what is your experience, which background you are, everything. I'm gonna create a WhatsApp group. There we will, talk each other. Okay. Okay. So let me start with this session. MuleSoft. First of all, what is MuleSoft? Anyone having any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, good. See, MuleSoft is nothing but this is one of the company, okay, which is located in headquarters in US. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, sure. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so MuleSoft, it is an integration tool. Okay, so this is the software company, and this Mule we can call it as integration tool. This MuleSoft is developed by the in the year 2006. Recently, 3 years back, Salesforce acquired this organization in the year 2018. You know Salesforce, right? Salesforce is one of the big company in the software industry. So MuleSoft itself is a good company. Okay, it provides lot of benefits to the organization. By using this MuleSoft, you can integrate any kind of end systems very easily. Okay, so it is more popular now, but fast 3 years onwards, this Salesforce acquired this company. So that means what will happen? Already for MuleSoft, we are getting many calls, but if Salesforce acquired this, now whatever the Salesforce projects are there, if they want to use integration tool, they will use it MuleSoft. Why? Because they acquired this company. That's why nowadays huge demand is there in the market. So you will get it so many calls with good packages, and you can learn this tool, in the span of 30 to 40 days very easily. Okay. So by using this MuleSoft, we are going to eliminate this donkey work. Okay. First of all, what do you mean by mule? So mule is nothing but it is a male donkey. What donkey will do? Can someone tell me? In general, what donkey will do?
Carrying weights.
Yeah, it will carry, so much of, whatever cloth you put over there. Okay. So it is keep on moving. Okay. So that is the donkey work. Here also what will happen to eliminates the donkey work. Okay. So that's why they introduce this name as a MuleSoft. Okay. We need to eliminate the hard work, and we need to do it our work in a soft manner or smooth manner. So that's why they introduced this name as MuleSoft. Okay. So MuleSoft is nothing but it is a integration tool. What do you mean by integration, first of all?
Transferring data between end systems.
Very good.
Or any
So,
two applications.
Perfect. Here, let me explain you two definitions. First of all, integration means I'm going to explain you in general definition and technical definition. General definition means like normal, our language. Okay. So integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration, like between two softwares or between two human beings. That we can call it as integration. Okay. And if someone will ask you in the interview, what do you mean by integration? If you go with a fresher or 1 year or experience, definitely they may ask you this question: what is integration? That time you should not tell this definition. You have to tell the technical definition. So So what is integration in terms of technical definition? So integration is nothing but it is a technology which is used to transport and transform the data between end systems. End system is nothing but it could be anything. It could be SAP, it could be Salesforce, it could be ServiceNow, whatever it means. That you can call it as end system. Okay. So this is the technical definition of this integration. Understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, perfect. So suppose if you want to learn any course or if you want to develop any kind of projects, what we required, basically we need some set of softwares, correct or not? So suppose if you want to write, Java or C or C++, something you need to download, right? Some set of softwares you need to download and you have to work on it. In similar way, if you want to work with the MuleSoft, we need some set of softwares. Okay. So I made a list, these are all very common softwares which are going to use for each and every organization. Okay. So the first software, or this you can call it as application, Anypoint platform. Okay. So this Anypoint platform, it is much similar to our Facebook and Gmail. Okay. Let me show you practically so that you guys will understand very easily. I'll click on if you type anypoint.mulesoft.com. So it will ask you login. See here, we have to create an account. If you don't have an account, what we will do? If you don't have Facebook account, what we'll do? We are going to create an account. We will register, right? Similarly, here also we are going to register for this Anypoint platform. You can provide your basic details like your first name, email address, phone number, company, like your username and password. Click on these two checkboxes and accept it, so that it will create an account for you. The moment you create account, okay, so you will get the mail confirmation. Once you got that, directly you can sign in by providing your username and then password. Okay, I will show you, I will take separate sessions for this. I can show you how to create account. Okay, so this is the first software, Anypoint platform. The second software is Anypoint Studio. Okay, so this studio is Eclipse based tool. Okay, so these all softwares available in the Google, all are, I can say, open source. Open source means anyone can download from the internet and they can work on it. Okay, so just type Anypoint Studio download in the Google. So it will directly take to you this MuleSoft website itself. Click on this, download. Can you see here, download 30-day free trial account? Actually, this is not 30 days free trial account. This will be lifetime. But you can ask me question, if it is lifetime, why they mentioned only for 30 days free trial? That means you are developing applications, right? You have to publish that applications to somewhere, right? See, we are all using WhatsApp, Facebook and all, right? Where you are getting that app?
Play Store or
Very good. Play Store or App Store.
App Store.
Okay. So who is going to put all these apps in the Play Store or App Store?
Google.
Very good. App developer, or you can say that company is going to, suppose who is developed that WhatsApp application, they are going to publish their applications to Play Store and App Store, so that all the users can download this. Similarly, here also, once you develop your application, you have to, publish your applications to Cloud Hub. Cloud Hub means anyone can access your application at any time. It will be much similar to our Play Store and App Store. Okay. So since we are using free of cost, right? Open source. Initial 30 days, if you develop application directly, you can publish to the Cloud Hub. If you are not able to, after 30 days, if you want to trying to publish your applications to Cloud Hub, it will not accept. Then you may ask me one more question here. See, suppose I want to publish after 32nd or 35th day. So how can I do that? So for that, simply what you can do, again, you can see this Anypoint Studio is associated with the Anypoint platform. Okay, again, try to create a one more account so that you can easily publish your applications to Cloud Hub. Okay, that I will explain you. Here, you have to select the operating system based on your machine. I mean, which system you are using, whether if you are using, Windows or Linux or Mac, accordingly, you have to select it. Okay, so in my case, I'm using Mac, I'll select this. Industry, you can select it, whatever you want. Okay, so job title, you just provide the job title. If you are not working, also fine, you just write it student or software engineer, senior software manager, anything, you just provide it. Okay, and then click on agree and then try to download it. So this is how we can download the software. Next, Postman. So whatever the application which we developed, if you want to test your application externally, we have to use this Postman. See, this is the Postman symbol. It will be look like this. Okay. See here, what we will do, we are going to pass some request. If you click on the send, okay, you may get, see, 200. Okay, success response. You got this response. Okay, I will show you how to download and how to use this software. Okay, this is also open source. Guys, go on mute. Yes,
సార్ పోస్ట్మ్యాన్ అనేది టెస్టింగ్ పర్పస్ సార్ అది.
yes, only for testing purpose.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Why we are preferring the MuleSoft? There are a lot of ESBs available in market.
Correct.
What is
Yeah,
the advantage of MuleSoft?
Yes, good question. I will cover you in the next slide. Okay, first let me finish this software's part.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, can you see? Just type Postman, sign in, and then download it here. Download the desktop app. If you are using Windows, select this, Mac, Linux. Like this, we have to download it. Okay. Next, these are the basic softwares required. And can you see here, Git and GitHub? These are all, not related to MuleSoft. These two are the DevOps tools. Okay. Now you can ask me questions. Sir, we are learning MuleSoft. Why you are introducing, DevOps tool here? So whatever the application which you designed or developed, okay, you should not keep that source code in your laptop. Okay. Why? Because, see, suppose you developed one application. Okay. Maybe you took leave up to 1 week or sick leave or marriage leave, something you are not available up to 2 weeks. In this scenario, what will happen? Your work is pending, right? If someone want to work, but that code is there in your laptop, you should not give your laptop to others, right? This is your office laptop. In this scenario, what will happen? Your work will be postponed, right? So to avoid this, what will happen? Whenever if you do any change, okay, immediately we have to push our code to the GitHub. The moment we push to the GitHub, if other developer wants to download that code from there directly, he can pull the code and he can import to that project in his local machine. Then he is going to work on this. So in 2 weeks, what he will do? He's going to do some progress, and again he's going to push that code to the GitHub. Again, this guy, he will come back to the office. Then what he will do? He is going to take the latest code and he is going to start working on it. See, for this I will take 2 sessions separately. I can explain it. See, if you learn MuleSoft, if you don't know how to push your code to the GitHub, or you need to pull that code from the GitHub, If you don't know, definitely they will come to know you are a fake guy. Okay. Why? Because the moment you joined organization, if it is already existing project, all existing projects will be, they will keep it in the GitHub or GitLab. Okay. So that the moment you join the organization, you have to clone the code. Okay. Once you join the organization, they will provide KT. So in KT, they will tell you, hey boss, our code is located in the GitLab. Can try to pull that code and start working on it. If you don't know the GitLab and GitHub, what will happen? You are not able to do anything, right? He will see one day or 2 days, again he may ask you, did you imported that code? Did you pull that code? If you said no, means again he'll ask you why. Why means you cannot say like, I don't know how to pull that code. There only they will come to know you are a fake guy. Understood? So to avoid all these things, I introduced this DevOps tool here. Okay. Not only this MuleSoft, if you learn any other technology like Java or .NET, whatever you developed, okay, you had to push your latest changes to the GitHub. Okay. That is the bare minimum thing. Each and every developer, everyone, they need to follow this. Understood? Next one, Slack. Okay, Slack, and you can call it as a Teams or anything, other communication channels. Like we are chatting in WhatsApp and Facebook, right? So in organization, we will not chat in the WhatsApp and Facebook. Okay. Those social networking apps, they will not allow in the organization. In few of the organizations, if you type YouTube, automatically you will get the pop-up saying that you do not have access, or you are not authorized to perform this action. Something you will get the pop-up. Okay. Sometimes what will happen directly, the moment you accessed, YouTube or something, Facebook, immediately mail trigger will go to your network administrator. He is going to ask you why you opened this. Okay, like this they may ask you. Or some people in some of the organization, they directly blocked a few of the websites. Okay, how to block that websites and all, I will show you in the coming classes. Okay, so these are the softwares required to perform some actions in the MuleSoft. Okay, now few people are working, right? Can someone tell me, are we going to download all the softwares in the real time? Anyone working as a developer? No one? Okay. See, in real time, what will happen? We will not download any software at any cost. Okay. So then how we'll get all the softwares? That depends on organization to organization. Okay. In some of the big organizations, very big organization, they are going to maintain ticketing tool, ServiceNow. Okay. See, suppose if I want to buy iPhone, what I will do, or what you will do? I'm asking general questions, guys, not related to MuleSoft. If I want to buy iPhone, what we will do generally?
First, we have to check the features and advantages.
Very good. You are going to check the features. So everything done, you decided, you know the budget and all, everything. Then what is the next step?
Go to store.
Ordering in online websites.
Very
Sir,
good.
go to Amazon.com.
Very good.
Flipkart
So
or
there
Amazon.
are, yeah, there are different, platforms are available. So based on your interest, whether you can go with Amazon or Flipkart or directly Apple showroom, you will go. Then what you will do? You will go to mobiles. Okay. Then you are going to buy the,
Selecting brand.
you are going to select the brand. Let me click on iPhone. So once this is done, what I will do? I'm going to check this. Okay. If I like this, what I'll do? I'll click on
The rating also.
We can check everything. Then I'm going to add this product to cart. After that, what I will do? I'm going to make a payment. Then I will get this iPhone, right? Similarly, in the real time also, what will happen if you want to download set up softwares? Very first day, the moment you joined in the organization, what they will do, if you are a MuleSoft developer, they will give you checklist. Checklist means like this, they will give you list of softwares, they will give you. Okay, in that they will add a few more things, Java, JDK 1.8, Notepad++, everything they will give you list. So the moment they provided all this list, what you have to do, you have to log into that ServiceNow portal. Okay, they will give you username and password. Okay, so you have to log in over there. Once you log in this, whatever the softwares are there, you just type it. See, Anypoint platform is there. Okay, this is the application, directly they will provide. Next, Anypoint Studio. What you can do, you just come there. Imagine this is ServiceNow. Here you have to type Anypoint Studio. Here you will not get it. Okay, just I'm giving example. Once you click on this, you will get all the Anypoint Studio with a different version. Which version you want to? Okay, that you have to click on it. Like this, you have to add all your softwares to the cart. Okay, so once you add all this list of softwares, మీరు ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ అన్ని యాడ్ చేశాక, కార్ట్లోకి యాడ్ చేశాక, what we will do, usually payment we will do, right? Here we are going to get the option submit. So you have to click on submit. The moment you click on submit, automatically what will happen, your manager will get a mail trigger will happen. Your manager will get the mail saying that, okay, this guy needs below the required softwares. Then what he will do, if he approved, he will get options approve or deny. Like if you click on approve, what will happen, again you will get the mail saying that your list of softwares got approved. Okay, try to go to the software center and then you can install it by your own. So in this ticketing tool, we will have one more option. See, here we do have so many options, right? Here, TV menu, women, baby, kids, like this. There also you will get it, softwares, so many options will be there. You have to go to the software center. Okay, then whatever the software is there, right? Suppose Anypoint Studio, just type Anypoint Studio, it will come. Then you will get the option called install. You just click on this install option, automatically it is going to be installed in your machine. Okay, so based on this, what you understood, without any proper approval, you should not download any software at any cost. Okay, in real time we are not going to download any software. Understood? Okay, this is for big companies, big MNCs. What will happen, some medium range companies? Okay, so for medium range companies, they are not going to maintain this ServiceNow and all. Why? Because for that software they need to pay so much of money. So now here, for medium scale companies, what will happen, they will have their own internal tool. If you want to raise any request for softwares and all, what you can do, you have to list of softwares, you just make a note and then you just submit it. The moment you submit that, you will get one mail. Okay, that mail you have to forward to your manager, your director. Okay, director means not company director, practice head. Okay, then network team head. You have to send mail to all these three people. Okay, you have to take approval from them. Once you got the approval, again that mail you have to forward to the network team. So once you forward that to the network team, they will access your system directly. Okay, then they are going to install all the softwares by the network engineer. Understood? So this is the medium scale companies. What will happen in the startups? In the startup, there is no softwares, no set of protocols. Okay, you are the boss. If you want any software, directly you can download it from the Google and you just start working on it, like how we are doing in the class. Okay. So how I'll come to know like all these differences? Why? Because I worked, startup company, middle company, like medium range scale companies. Then I worked some MNCs as well. So that's why I know the complete procedure for all the companies. Understood? So in the real time, you should not download any software at any cost. Understood? Any questions here?
Sir, you said Anypoint platform, it is used for designing purposes, right?
Correct. Yes.
So Anypoint Studio is for uploading in the cloud
Development.
development.
No. This is for development. So if you want to publish our applications to Cloud Hub by using these two, we can publish it. I'll show you in the next slide. It will come.
Okay, so development
Up to now,
purpose.
clear, right? Software parts.
Yeah, Anypoint Studio means like coding we used.
Purpose.
We need to
No,
code.
there is no coding. I will tell you.
Okay.
No. In MuleSoft, there is no coding. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Sir, Anypoint platform is only for 30 days or else it will be
No,
lifetime?
it will be lifetime. Anypoint platform and Anypoint Studio both will be lifetime. But the thing is, in the Anypoint platform, we have one option called Runtime Manager. Okay. So in the Runtime Manager, if you click here, can you see Runtime Manager? This option, if you click on this option, what will happen? This option will work only for 30 days. After that, if you click on that application, what will happen? You will get error. Okay. See, now I can access this, but after 30 days, I cannot access this. Don't worry, I can explain you, how to do all these things, practical. Okay. Now someone asked me, so there are other tools are there. Why you want to learn this MuleSoft? Correct. Let me go to that slide. So apart from this MuleSoft, we do have so many other tools like Apigee, Tipco, Delboomi, IBM, Talent, Oracle, WSO2, Workato, SnapLogic. So these are the other integration. All these are also integration tools. Okay.
These are the competitors, sir.
Not competitors. These are also integration tools. Okay. So I cannot say competitor. Why? Because see, if you take Workato, if you learn this Workato, what will happen? Hardly monthly you will get one call. Monthly, I can say one call. Okay. If you take Tipco, maybe 4 or 5, you may get it. Okay. But if you take MuleSoft, every week you will get 4 to 5 calls. Okay. See, if you learn properly this MuleSoft, within a month you will get a job very easily. I can promise you. Okay. I can show you some result as well. Many people, they got the job. My student, they cracked interview by their own. Okay. After completion of 3 days, one guy got offer. 10 days, one girl got offer. Like this, so many scenarios are there. I will explain it. But now here, someone asked me, why we want to go with this MuleSoft? Why not with other integration tools? Why? Because in Anypoint platform, I showed you, right? So in the Anypoint platform, what will, okay, before moving to this, let me explain one slide. Okay. So here, these are the highlights of MuleSoft. First thing is easy installation of Anypoint Studio. I told you, right? You just type it in the Google, click on next. It will be download. Okay. UI control. Almost it will support more than 350 components or connectors. So these many components will support this MuleSoft. So based on your business requirement, you can implement anything easily by using these components or connectors. Okay. That's why it is more popular. Okay. And also we are using data view. If you have any complex functionality, by using this data view, we can easily achieve it, and we can do it in the very fast. See, suppose data you are getting in the JSON format, but the end system will not accept JSON. It will accept only XML. Okay, so that what will happen if you use single transform message? Okay, if you write just change the application type to XML, automatically it will convert entire your XML JSON file to XML file. So that much of faster it will be. So that's why again I can say it is a huge demand in the market. Apart from this, we will get some awesome documentation and training video support from the MuleSoft itself. We do have, see, if you take other things like a TIPCO or Workato, something, again, for monitoring, I need to maintain separate tool. For visualizer, I need to maintain separate tool. For policies, I need to maintain separate tool. For logging also, I need to maintain separate. As in case of MuleSoft is going to provide, all the things in one single place. Can you see? Design center. So here what we will do, we can design our APIs. Once you design this, what you can do, you can publish that to Exchange. Then data graph, access management. Here you can create the users, you can provide permissions. API manager, you can set up policies here, you can deploy your applications here, you can monitor everything here, you can store your secrets and all, passwords and all, you can do it here. So all are available in a single platform. So this is the another reason I can say this is more popular. Okay, clear? Still any questions, please let me know. Someone asked me right this question.
Sir, to learn MuleSoft, we should have the knowledge of database.
No, not required.
Okay, sir.
See, database, what will happen? You want to insert some records into the database. Okay,
Yes,
you don't
yes.
want to learn entire database. Okay, if you want to insert database, what you can do, you have to write a query. In college we studied, right? If you are CSE or IT background, you already studied this database concept. Okay, see, you just Google it, how to insert records into database.
Okay, sir.
Very simple. How to insert records into SQL. You will get the syntax. So let me show you. See, this is the syntax. Okay, this syntax, according to your requirement, you have to change it. Insert into, where you want to insert. They will provide some table name, right? That name you have to write it here. What you want to insert? You want to insert employee name, employee ID, okay? Employee address, okay? So, and then values. Employee ID means 100. Employee name is Sam. Like this, you have to provide it. Just copy this and paste it. You don't want to learn entire thing, okay? So what we will do here, for this MuleSoft course, we are going to offering SQL videos free of cost. Okay,
Yes.
complete SQL, you will get it free of cost. Okay, so whenever
sir.
if you get a time, you can learn some basic syntaxes, so that even you don't want to Google it, directly you can write the queries by your own. Okay, why we are offering
sir.
this free of cost? Because most of our projects which are related to Salesforce and the database. Okay, many projects. I worked so many projects. All projects are related to Salesforce and database. So that's why we are going to offer this SQL videos free of cost. Okay. Next. See, basically, someone, they may ask you question in the interview. First question, they may ask you self details. Second question, what is your project? What are your day-to-day activities, roles and responsibilities? Then in some scenarios, they may ask you, how will get the work? You guys are working, right? Any company, not only software, any company you guys are working, right? Non-IT or something, testing or anything.
Yes.
Basically, how will get the work? Can someone tell me?
like business will provide the required documents.
Sir, client, what?
From clients will get the,
Yeah.
See, client directly, they are not associated with you, right? You are just, we are just developers, right?
Yes, sir.
Business will provide the requirement of
Client
architecture.
associated with architecture.
ఓకే సో మీకు వర్క్ ఎలా వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్? దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీరు MuleSoft నేర్చుకున్నా నేర్చుకోకపోయినా మీరు కొన్ని స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఆఫీస్లో, ఏ సైట్స్ యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి, ఏ పర్మిషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఏం డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలి, కొన్ని బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా
English.
ఎస్ ఎస్ సమ్ పీపుల్ దే పోస్టెడ్ మీ టీచ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, సో దట్స్ వై don't worry, I am going to explain you sentence English and as well as Telugu. Okay, cool. Don't know Telugu. Okay, I'll use English. So first thing is, okay, let me tell you. So hierarchy I'm telling for each and every project. Okay, suppose you are working one company. Here I mentioned XYZ. Maybe you are working in IBM or Infosys, so and so company. So for this company, who is going to provide the work?
Client.
Client. Very good. So client will have one requirement. Okay. So here in your Infosys or TCS, what will happen? You will have one sales managers. Okay. These guys, they are going to showcase their work, what they did up to now. Okay. So we implemented, these many projects, we have these many employees. So that what they will do, they will prepare some PPTs and they will showcase to the client. If client will like this, okay, they will give you some budget. Okay. So you have to do this work. Then these guys will ask, okay, you have to pay this much of amount. Okay. Very simple and straightforward. You are going to restaurant, I want biryani. Okay, you just pay 250 rupees for biryani. Then what will happen? You will make an agreement and you will get the things done. Here also same way, they will give you the requirement. These guys quote some amount. Okay, according to that, they are going to make one agreement that is called SLA, service level agreement. Okay, these are all high level I am talking about. This is not required as a developers. Just I'm saying the overall flow. Okay. So now in our company, we do have some architects. Okay, manaka office lo architects antaru. So what these guys will do, these architects, they are going to segregate the work, they are going to divide the work. See, suppose if you got one project which consists of almost 1 year project, so entire 1 year project, what they will do, they are going to divide into 12 months. Okay, in each month again they will create a sprint. 2 sprints they will create. Sprint is nothing but they are going to divide the work for 15 days or 20 days. That we can call it as sprint. Okay, that sprint they are going to assign you in the Jira. Jira is nothing but it is one of the ticketing tool. Okay, in this ticketing tool they will assign the work like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the Jira ticketing tool. Okay, here they are going to create a project. Say suppose click on project, they'll create a story or theory. Okay, story, you can mention task like this. Okay, here you can write, okay, ramal hyphen design. Okay, now what they will do, they are going to upload a functional or technical document. Understood? So here they are going to upload it. Then so let me show you some attachment. Browse it. Okay, I'm going to upload this. Create it. Upload in progress. Okay, so it is uploading. Once it is done, we have to click on create it. The moment we create it, what will happen? Automatically, one task is created. This we can call it as sprint. In this sprint, whatever the work is there, to whom I need to assign this work, everything, it will display here. Okay. Based on this, we will get the work. Okay. I'll take separate session for this Jira. I will explain you. So here you understood, right? From client to a company will receive the work. In company, architect will be there. Architect is going to create a sprint and that assigned to the developers. Understood? So this is how you will get the work. So they may ask you what you done on daily basis. You just tell them, okay, daily, every day we have 10:30 we have a stand-up meeting with the client. We are going to, they are going to explain you, scenarios. Accordingly, what we will do, we are going to implement on it. If we have any challenges, if we need anything, so that we can ask the client, and based on that, we are going to do our work. Okay, like this, you have to inform to the interview. Okay, this is clear, right? Again, I'll show you practically, like we will go to Jira board and we will assign a story or theory here. Then I will show you how to assign this work to someone. Everything I can show you. Okay. Next. Up to now, clear, right?
Sir,
In-
Jira is a free source tool, like open source tool, Jira.
Yes, open source. Okay.
Sir, can you explain one more time, sir?
Okay. Guys, go on mute. Yeah. So client is giving some work to the company. Company will take that work. They will make an SLA. Then, see, some people are saying that, okay, my project went on hold. My project got over. Still, I'm in a bench. Bench means what these guys will do. See, if they will make one agreement between client and company, so these company, they need to showcase some resources to the client. So that's why what they will do, they are going to hire you. Sometimes you will get, very urgent requirement, they will say, HRs. So we do have an urgent opening to one of our client. They are looking for MuleSoft developer. So are you interested? If you said yes, on same day or next day, they are going to schedule the interview. If you perform very well, okay, so they are going to release the offer. Okay, so that they are going to onboard you. Once they onboard you, all your detail they are going to showcase to the client. Okay, for this work, I have 10 MuleSoft developers, 5 testers, okay, 2 business analysts. Like this, they are going to share the information to them. Okay, and then if they'll show everything, what they will do, they are going to make an agreement. Sometimes what will happen, see, these guys hired and they showcase to the client. Next time here, one more company is there. They gave same thing they provided. They provided 10 resources on MuleSoft, so and so. But these guys are asking 2 crores. These guys are asking 1.3 crores. Here client will save 70 lakhs, right? What will happen? So this client will go to this company. So that here what will happen? He is going to lose the project. So that's why you are going to sit in the bench itself up to 1 or 2 months. So this is the concept. Okay. Nowadays, what will happen? Sometimes they are going to conduct all the client interviews and right away, and then they are onboarding you, right? So I'll tell you this entire story again. I'll take separate session. In demo, we can't explain everything. Okay. Now, important thing is phases. So in MuleSoft, we have 3 phases: design phase, development phase, deployment phase. Okay. So for design phase, what we will do, we are going to use this Anypoint platform. Let me give an example. Okay. So you want to construct a villa. Okay. What you guys will do? Very first thing.
Sir, design.
Agent
First,
purpose.
we'll check the plan.
Okay.
We will do the plan.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
How many classes do you taking complete the designing part?
Designing, I may take 10 classes.
10 classes are complete, sir.
Yes. Complete 10 classes, I can finish the design. But I can promise you, no one will take 10 classes only for design. Okay. They may take you hardly 2 or 3 max.
Okay, sir.
But I can take 10 classes. I am going to show you 5 real-time APIs. Okay.
Sir, do you provide the real-time?
Real-time means, yes, 5, not
Okay.
even 1. 5 I can show you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I
Thank
can promise you after completion of 10 days, if you'll get any work related to design without taking help directly, you can design the APIs, even if it is 5 years also. Okay. If some guy is working on, say, suppose one of your friend or colleague, almost is working fast 5 years, okay, in MuleSoft. Ask him to provide any one design. If you take that design, okay, without taking his help, you can design that API 200%. Okay, that promise, that guarantee I can give it to you. Okay, clear? So let me go to our topic now. So if you want to construct a villa, we are going to first, what we will do, we will take the design, right? Who is going to design that villa?
Architect, sir.
Okay, architect is going to design that villa. Okay. Once we got the design, what we will do?
We'll collect the materials.
Sir,
Hmm.
after
They are
design,
preparing planning.
yes, sir, plan to construct.
Planning means design only, right?
Sir, start constructing according to plan.
Okay. So directly, see, you approached, design architect, he gave design.
Material.
Directly, are you
Material.
going to construct? No. Before moving to development, see, suppose you want to villa. Okay, you approach to me. I gave one plan to you. So directly based on that plan, are you going to construct? First thing, that plan.
Estimation.
Now, first, whether you have to accept that plan. Understood? Whether you like that plan or not. Yeah. See, suppose if you take villa, what will happen? So they are going to provide, a bedroom somewhere. In one bedroom, they will give you in the first floor. Okay. On second floor, they may give, 2 bedrooms. They did not provide, any separate room for theater. So what you will do? You don't like that, right? So you want to add theater room as well. Okay. In this scenario, what you will do? Your design is changed, right? According to your requirement. Again, what you have to do? You have to tell them, hey boss, in the second floor, I want 1 theater room and 1 bedroom. On top of it, I need a penthouse. Like this is your requirement. So based on client requirement, we have to change the design until unless we need to satisfy that customer. Understood? Here also, in the real time, once you got the design, you have to design based on the client requirement. Understood? That requirement, whatever you design, you have to share to the client. Okay. The moment you shared, they are going to review your API. Okay. So once you got the approval saying that, hey, okay, whatever, you design, that is, we liked it. You just, go for the development. So once you got the approval from someone, then you have to go to the development. So without approval, you should not start the development. Understood? So, okay. So I shared a plan with you. So you approved that plan. What is the next step?
Collecting the raw material.
Okay, you are going to collecting the raw materials like iron, brick, cement and all. Okay. Here also for development, whatever I want. Okay. What I'll do. So based on, guys, go on mute. Casey. Yeah. Thank you. So based on our requirement, I'm going to collect all this thing. Whether I want to, go with the database or HTTP or Workday. Okay, like this, I'm going to prepare everything. Okay, collecting raw materials done. Then what is the next step?
Will start working.
Okay, so we need to start working on it. We need to construct the walls by using bricks and all. Okay, here also we are going to create a flows and all, everything based on the business requirement. Then what will happen? Development is completed. Okay, once development is completed, what we'll do?
Have to test it. Inside.
Very good. So after completion of your development, okay, we'll go to that house. We are going to test that whether they created without patches and all, our room is according to our expectation or not. Sink, like whatever expected place, sink is there or not. Puja room will be there or not. Kitchen, like it will be there in proper shape or not. Okay, everything what we will do, we are going to test that. So okay, everything is ready, POP, Paul ceiling is ready, like your paints, everything, like now your house looks awesome. What is the next step? Your villa is ready.
Finally,
What is the
construct
next step?
We are going to join in.
Construction. Yes, you are going to enter
Yes,
inside
sir,
the
to
villa.
enter. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. Here also, the moment we completed our development, then we need to do some testing and all. If everything goes well, then we need to submit, we need to publish our API to the Cloud Hub. Cloud Hub means, I told you, right? We can access our application 24/7, like Play Store and App Store. The moment we publish this, so that it will be available in the live. See, suppose if you take any application, see, suppose if I want to transfer some amount, whenever, even if midnight also, if you open accessbank.com or ICICI, any bank, if you open, what will happen? You can access, right? How you can access? Because it will be there in the cloud, so that directly we can access. Even whatever the APIs which we created, which we developed, if you publish to the Cloud Hub, what will happen? We can access that application anytime, 24/7, 365 days, we can access that application. Understood? So in MuleSoft also, we have 3 phases: design, development, deployment. For design purpose, we are going to use the Anypoint platform. For development purpose, we are going to use Studio. Okay. For deployment, we will do it 2 kind of deployments. One is Cloud Hub, another one is on-prem. On-prem means on-premises. On-premises means we are going to maintain our own servers. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen? Like we completed all the 3 phases. Okay. In MuleSoft also we have 3 phases. So for design phase, I will take 10 classes. For development phase, I will take 25 sessions. For deployment, I will take 1 session. So total 2 sessions I'll take. Total some 37 sessions to 40 sections I'll take. Okay. In this 40 sessions, there is no theory. Okay. Theory will be hardly 5 to 10%. So everything will be completely practical. Okay. No theory. I'm going to provide, complete material. Guys, go on mute. I'm getting some background noise.
Sir, for this, every tool we need to install in our machine, like a
Yes.
Okay.
I can help you all the list of softwares. Okay, how to download, how to install it, everything I can show you. You will get all the recordings. Okay, you can install it by your own. Don't think about these things, installations and all. I can help you guys. Next thing.
Sir,
Yes.
are you provide the interview questions and answers?
Yeah, that's what I'm coming now. See, here just demo, right? In demo 1 hour we cannot cover everything. Okay, what I will do, I am going to offer 4 free classes. Okay, today also free, right? Tomorrow also you can join. Then Monday, Tuesday also you can join. Total 4 classes completely free. Okay, you can join. Okay, based on these 4 classes, if you like my training, if you are able to follow my training, then you can enroll for this course. Okay, so if you enroll for this course, what you will get? Okay, let me show you. First thing is, we are going to provide 5 real-time APIs. These 5 you will not get, outside. That I can promise you. Okay, so 5 real-time APIs you will get it. That is point number 1. Second thing is, you will get the interview questions. Topic wise you will get it, phase wise you will get it, company wise you will get it. All 3 ways you will get the interview questions. Let me show you. Hello. Okay. So, okay.
సార్ కొంచెం తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తారా సార్?
Yeah, sure. And I'll repeat in 2 times. Okay. One is in Telugu,
thank you,
another
sir.
one is English. Yeah. So you will get the interview questions topic wise, company wise, phase wise. Okay. All 3 ways I'm going to provide interview question. Make interview questions topic wise istanu, company wise, phase wise. Company wise ante, suppose if you are going interview to Infosys, what kind of question they may ask? L&T, what kind of question they may ask? Like this, I'm going to provide all the interview questions. Okay, so that you can crack the interview very easily by your own. Okay.
Sir,
Second.
only questions or else explanation also you will give an answer,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the way we are explaining is the most important. No?
Correct. So in classes, I'm going to explain you interview question. Okay, daily whatever the topic is coming, guys, go on. See, yeah, thank you. Okay, so now topic wise I'll explain. Okay, whenever I'll explain any topic, that time I will say, okay, this is the interview question that I can implement practically. Okay, I can show you, then same you can explain to the interviewer, and for few questions I can provide answers as well. Okay, then resume preparation. At the end, we are going to provide 10 to 15 resumes. Based on this, you can prepare it. I can take separate session for this again. After completion of your course, I can take one more session, like based on your experience. Okay, how many years you want to keep, like this I can guide you. Then I can give you 20 companies personal references. Some of my students are working in this company. I know some recruiters and HRs personally, so that 20 companies I will only refer. Again, I can create one second, let me finish. I'll take your question later. Okay, so here what will happen, I'm going to create 2 WhatsApp group. Okay, first one is, once you enroll this, immediately I can add you in the WhatsApp group, so that what will happen, whatever the task I'm going to provide, that you have to do it. If you are getting any error, you can post that error in the WhatsApp group, so that I can help you. If I am little busy something, if I'm not able to help you, some others, they are going to help you. Okay, next 5, I told you, right, 2 WhatsApp group. After completion of course, again I'm going to add you in different group, that is job and references group. So I can add you over there. People who are all attending interview, there they are going to post HR mail IDs and all everything. Okay, that we will do it. And see, suppose first time you attend interview, you don't know like how to answer that interviewer and all. What you can do, you just record the session, you can send it to me, so that I will listen recording whenever I am free. So based on that, I will give you inputs. So మీరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారా, రాంగ్ చెప్పారా, ఏ ఏరియాలో you are strong, which area you are in strong. So everything I'll explain you, so that next interview there will be some better improvement. Okay, like this I can help you. And as I promised, I'm going to provide 5 live design sessions. Okay, 5 live design APIs, you will get it. And in the development part, as I told you, right, we are going to mostly dealing with the projects, database, and as well as Salesforce. So connecting to MySQL database, that I can explain you. And the same time, Salesforce also I can show you. So this database in real time we cannot see, but here I am going to install in your local machine, and I can show you how to insert that records into the Salesforce and database. Okay. Apart from this, you will get MySQL SQL videos completely free, and then you will get it certification MCD level 1. In MuleSoft, we have 3 level of certification. So we have to finish first level, MCD level 1. So if you want to clear this certification, in olden days, we need to pay $250. Right now, MuleSoft offering free of cost. I will tell you how to get this voucher free of cost. Once you got the vouchers, questions and answers, both I can provide to you, so that once you enroll the course, within 10 days, you will get the certification. That I can promise you. Okay. All
It's a
questions?
lifetime certification or else limited
No.
period, sir?
This will be valid for 2 years. Okay.
Sir, I have one query around here. Sir,
Yes,
if
go on.
I don't have any idea in MuleSoft, so can I
Yes.
catch this?
Okay. Good question. Let me answer few questions. See, based on my previous batches, I will tell you. So I got so many questions like this. First question is, I don't know anything MuleSoft. Do you want to learn any basics or anything to learn this MuleSoft? Obviously, no. Okay. Why? Because I'm going to explain you from scratch, from very basic. Okay, basic to advanced level. Then I will take to real-time APIs, so that you don't want to learn anything as of now. Just follow my classes so that you will become an expert in the MuleSoft. Okay, next question. Sir, I am into teaching background. I am into mechanical. I am into civil. I am into non-IT. Okay, I have 10 years gap. I have 5 years gap. I have 12 years gap. Can I learn this course? Yes, you can. You can learn this course. I can help you how to fulfill that gap. Everything, as I told you, right? I will take separate session on it, so that I can help you. Okay. And 1 second, let me pause this.